Hi, this is Washobi. I'll be doing another unboxing today. This is a Seiko, as you can see, and this is the manual, so you can see that it is the caliber 4R series watch. Uh, this is not a new model. This is in fact a 2011 model, but I was able to get it very cheap. The shop that is selling it was trying to let go of all the old stocks. Therefore this is actually an old stock but new. Okay, let's open the box. Even the box itself is the traditional with the protective cardboard white box. This is the main box itself. Of course, you have the Seiko warranty here, and this is the watch. Very traditional in terms of the box. Hard box with a 8-sided section, beveled at the edges. So here it goes. Ta-da! The SSA005K1. This is under the Superior line. Was made in 2011. 4R37 movement. It has a bi-directional bezel because it has a flight calculator on it. 24 hours sub-dial at 12 o'clock. A date window at 4 o'clock. Crown is at 4 o'clock. Bracelet, and although this is 2011, but this is also very interesting because this is also one of the first series under the SSA reference series under the Superior line, and it uses the 4R movement for the first time. Yeah, so dome hard black crystal, as you can see here. Let me open the box. You see, look at the pillow. See, it has thin yellow. That tells you how long it has been kept. I had a thing to change my open the or adjust my bracelet to fit my size. I took out 3 links. But here you go. Display case back. Traditional bracelet by Seiko, with the science Seiko class. So this is the watch. Anyway, I will do a full review on this watch when I have a chance to wear it, and as well as give my comments on it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this unboxing video. Bye.